Hello people and welcome to Follow Internet. In this video, I am going to show you how to download VMware Workstation Player. Open your favorite browser, go to this link, you will get this page. After getting this page, scroll down. You can see here VMware Workstation Player 17. Download now, click on it. After download your VMware Workstation Player, close the browser. Now open up download folder. VMware Player full. After download your VMware Workstation Player, first thing is that click on Start menu on your Windows. Type PowerShell. Windows PowerShell. Run as administrator. Click on it. Here you can see now press enable. There's Windows, optional, feature, press enter. Following this command, we are enable HyperV on this Windows operating system. Now follow the next command. Press enter. After getting this pop-up, press yes, enter. Now it will restarting our Windows operating system. This is our VMware player. Now we are going to install VMware. We can minimize this. Hello people, now we are install VMware Workstation Player 17 on our Windows operating system. We are getting this setup wizard. Click on next. I accept the terms in the license agreement. Next. Next. Click on next with default setting. You can read. Click on next with default. Click on next. Now ready to install. Click on it. Yes, sir. VMware setup wizard complete. Now click on finish. If you have license, you can click on license, but you can provide license after installation. Click on finish. Now click on VMware. Click on continue. Finish. Click on it. Now we can create virtual machine. Hello people and welcome to Follow Internet. In this video I am going to show you how can you install Kali Linux and download Kali Linux for VMware Workstation. Type Kali Linux, enter. Google will appear first link, that kali.org. Click on it. Now click on download. Installer images recommended. Click on it. A little scroll. 64-bit. click on this down arrow icon to download Kali Linux ISO file. Top of the right bottom corner, down arrow, click on it. It will display our downloading process. After complete your download, close your browser, open up workstation, open your VMware, which can be any version. Process pretty much similar. Create a new virtual machine, click on it. It will gives virtual machine wizard. We are going with typical recommended. Click on next. I will install the operating system later. Click on it. Next. Our guest operating system Linux version Ubuntu 64-bit. Click on next. Our machine name Kali 64. We are going to choose location from where we want to launch our machine. In that case, we are going to choose D drive. Make new folder, click on it. Our folder name Kali 64 by Numan. Enter. Now select this folder, click OK. You can see location changed, drive D. This is our machine folder name that we are created now. Click on next. Click on next with default. Customize hardware, click on it. Now click on memory. We are going to select up to 4 GB. Click on processors, number of processors 2. Virtualization engine, click on it. CD DVD SATA, click on it. Use ISO image file, click on it. Browse, click on it. This is our Kali Linux ISO file you are downloaded before. Select it, hit open. Here you can see this link appear. Now close, click on it, hit finish button. Our virtual machine successfully created. Now we need to launch it. Or on this virtual machine, click on it. It will take a couple of steps that you need to follow carefully. After getting this prompt, graphical install, click on it. After getting this prompt, we are going with English. Click on continue. You can select your location. Click on continue. Continue with American English keyboard. This is okay for me. Continue. Now we are almost done. Our host name Kali. It's okay for me. You can change it. Click on continue. Our domain name Numan. Click on continue. It will take full name, in that case Numan. Click on continue. It's okay for me. Click on continue. You need to create credential password. Retype your password. Click on continue. You can select time zone. Click on continue. After getting this prompt, partition disk, we are going with guided use entire disk with default. Hit continue. Continue. This is talking about partition schema. We are going with all files in one partition. Click on continue. Click on continue. It will talking about partition changes. Click on yes. Continue. Click on it. After getting this prompt, we can just click on continue, going with default. After a long time, we can get this wizard. Install the grab boot leader. By default, yes. Click on continue. After getting this prompt, dash or SDA, click on it. Now click on continue. If you follow this step, then you can ignore grab bootloader installation error. So be careful. Now our installation completed. It's time to boot. Our installation is complete. So it's time to boot into new system. For that, click on continue to boot our system. Now rebooting our Kali Linux operating system. Welcome, our Kali Linux successfully installed on our VMware. It will take credential. Before you are created your username, in my case no one, it will take password. Now click on login. That's it. You should now have Kali Linux installed and running in a VMware virtual machine. Remember to keep your Kali Linux system up to date and use it responsibly for ethical hacking and security testing purposes. Thank you for watching this video. Hello people and welcome to Follow Internet. I am Noman Islam. In this video, I am going to show you how you can install Windows 7 ISO file on VMware Workstation Pro. Open your VMware Workstation. Click on Create a new virtual machine. You can get this wizard, virtual machine wizard, recommended typical. Go with that. Click on Next. New virtual machine wizard. You can check I will install the operating system later. Click on it and click Next. Our guest operating system, Microsoft Windows, version Windows 7 64-bit. Click on it. Windows 7 64-bit. Click on Next. Our virtual machine name Windows 7 64-bit, or you can name it anything. Browse. You can select location from where you want to run your virtual machine. I want to go with click on make new folder, Windows 7, hit enter. This is Windows 7 folder we are created now. Click on it, hit OK. Now you can see our location changed on drive D, folder name Win-7. Now click on Next. Click on Next with default. Click on Customize hardware. Memory. You can select up to 4 GB. Click on processors. Number of processors. It will take 2. Virtualization engine. Click on it. Virtualize Intel BT. AMD B. Click on new CD DVD setup. Now click on use ISO image file. Click on browse. You can download your ISO file from Google, or you can comment below. I will provide my ISO files. This is our Windows 7 ISO file. Click on it. Hit open. Now click on close. Hit finish button. This is our Windows 7 virtual machine. Now you can power on this virtual machine. Click on it. Starting Windows installing. It will take few minutes. You need patient. After getting this pop-up, language English, time and currency format, you can select it, depends on your country. I want to go with English India. Click on next. Click on install now button. After getting this license terms condition pop-up, check it, hit next. After getting this prompt, which type of installation do you want? I want to go with custom advanced. Click on it. Now click on next. Our installation almost complete. Don't scare about it. Your virtual machine will several time can restart for running this process. After a long time, you can get this pop-up. You need to enter your username. Our username Numan. Now click on next. You need to create your password for this operating system. Retype your password. You need to provide password hint. Now click on next. This pop-up talking about product key. If you don't have your product key, you can skip it. Don't scared about it. Just click on skip. After getting this pop-up, click on use recommended setting. Click on it, use recommended setting. Click on next. With default time setting, this is pretty much okay for me. After getting this pop-up, select your computer's current location. I want to go with home network. Click on it, home network. Now it will connecting to your network and applying settings. Take few minutes. Finally, our Windows 7 successfully installed on VMware Workstation Pro. Now, if I click on full screen mode, one problem is that we need to install VMware tools. For that, click on this bar inside VM, click on it. Here you can see install VMware tools, click on it. Click on install. Now click on file manager. After open our file explorer, click on computer. This is our VMware tools. DVD drive D, click on it. After getting this autoplay prompt, run setup64.exe, click on it. This is our VMware tools that we are downloaded before from VM. Top down below, VMware tools is requesting your permission. Click on it. Now it will display this user account control prompt. After open this user account control prompt, click on yes. You can see VMware product installation running. After a long time period, we are getting VMware tools set up. Click on next. Click on next with typical. After now we are ready to install VMware tools on Windows 7. Click on install. It will take few minutes. Install VMware tools on Windows 7. Please wait until this setup wizard installation is not complete. While our screen mode are already full screen, this is working. We are going to be launched ethical hacking full roadmap with every single part, with single video. You can check out our playlist. VMware tools setup wizard completed. Click on finish button. At the end, you can getting this pop-up. It will talking about you can restart your operating system now, or you can do it later. Click on yes or no, depends on you. Now I'm going to restart my operating system. Click on yes. Thank you for watching this video. Hello people and welcome to Follow Internet. I'm Numan Islam. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Windows 10 operating system on VMware workstation. First thing first, open up your favorite browser. Windows, ISO, file for Microsoft evaluation. Enter. The first link appear here, Windows 10 Enterprise. Click on it. Download the ISO file Enterprise at the top of the bottom here. Click on it. It will take your first name, last name, email, company name, if available, country, company size, and hit download now. I have already downloaded it. After download your ISO file, open your VMware workstation, which can be any version. Process schema similar. Click on it. Create a new virtual machine. We are going with typical recommended. Hit next. Click on it. I will install the operating system later. By default, it is selected. You can select it. Hit next. Our guest operating system Microsoft Windows. Click on it. Version Windows 10 64-bit. Hit next. We can name our virtual machine. In that case, Windows. You can specify your location from where you want to run your server. By default, it is click on it, browse, make a new folder, Windows Numan, hit enter. Now you need to select this folder. Okay, now you can see our location changed. Hit next, hit next, hit customize hardware, click on it. Memory size up to 4 GB. Processors, click on it. Number of processor 2, click on it. Virtualize Intel BT-X or AMD-B, click on it. New CD DVD setup. Now I am going to use ISO image file, click on it, hit browse. Windows 10 Pro ISO file that we are downloaded before, click on it, open, top of the bottom, close, click on it, hit finish button. Now or on this virtual machine, click on it. You need to press any key. You need to just hit enter. Need to be patient and just wait for this window to appear. It will take. So in the first window, you need to choose the language, English United States, pretty much okay. Time and currency format, English India, click on it, hit next, install now, click on it. You can enter your product key if you have Windows product key. You can also skip it, click on it. License terms. After getting this pop-up, check this I accept the license terms and hit next button here, click on it. You have these two options, upgrade, install Windows and keep files, settings and applications, and also custom install Windows only, advanced. Now I'm going to choose custom option, install Windows only, advanced, click on it. After getting this pop-up, hit next, go with default. Now at this point, you just need to wait for the installation. So for that, just wait until you see the screen check mark in front of each and every option here. Now I can see it's starting the service. Our Windows almost ready. After getting this pop-up, who owns this PC? You can choose my work or school owns it. You can go with default, click on next, join a local Active Directory domain, click on it, click on next, top of the bottom right corner. Now you need to create an account for this PC, your username, our username Numan, create your password. You need to create your password. Again, re-enter your password, give a password hint, click on next. Finally, our Windows 10 operating system are run on VMware. Now you want to resize according to the VMware window. How can we solve it? Click on VMware, install VMware tools, click on it. After getting this pop-up, hit install. Now open up our file manager. After open your file explorer, click on DVD driver. VMware tools setup 64, click on it. Right click your mouse, click on open. Now you can get this pop-up. Hit yes. Now our VMware product installation preparing. It will take a few seconds. After getting this pop-up, click on next. Please select a setup type. I recommend complete. Click on it. Now click on next. Click on install. Now I can close this file manager. Now you can see our installing VMware tool wizard are working. It will take few minutes. Our setup wizard completed. Click on finish button. Thank you for watching this video.